Portrait photography is a dance of light and shadow. It's about sculpting with illumination, revealing character, and freezing moments in time. We'll explore portrait lighting, focusing on studio and natural light. Studio lighting offers unparalleled control, like a painter choosing their palette. But natural light possesses a quality that's hard to replicate, a softness and warmth that breathe life into our portraits. Knowing when to embrace the studio versus harnessing natural light is crucial. Through this exploration, we'll empower you to make informed decisions for your next portrait session. Stepping into a studio is akin to entering a playground of light. Here, we become masters of the elements, shaping and molding illumination to our will. The beauty of studio lighting lies in its predictability. We dictate the intensity, direction, and color temperature, crafting the perfect mood for our portraits. Need a dramatic, chiseled look? No problem, we can create that with a hard light source and strategic shadows. Looking for something softer and more ethereal? Soft boxes and diffusers become our allies. For photographers seeking ultimate control, the studio remains an unparalleled creative sanctuary. There's a certain magic to natural light, an ethereal quality that's hard to replicate. It's ever-changing, from the soft, diffused glow of an overcast day to the warm, golden hues of sunrise and sunset. Portraits bathed in natural light often possess a sense of authenticity and life. The subtle nuances, the way light dances in the eyes, and the gentle fall-off create a captivating realism. But this ethereal beauty comes with its own set of challenges. We are at the mercy of the elements, beholden to the whims of the weather and the constantly shifting position of the sun. Mastering natural light is about understanding its nuances and transforming challenges into opportunities for breathtaking imagery. Whether you're a studio aficionado or a natural light enthusiast, the tools at your disposal play a crucial role in shaping your vision. In the studio, we have an arsenal of options: strobes, continuous lights, softboxes, umbrellas, reflectors, and grids. Strobes, with their burst of power, are ideal for freezing motion and creating dramatic effects. Continuous lights offer a constant view of the lighting setup, making adjustments a breeze. For natural light photographers, the tools are simpler yet equally effective. Reflectors bounce light back onto the subject, filling in shadows and controlling contrast. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each tool is paramount to achieving your desired lighting effects. Mastering portrait lighting goes beyond simply knowing your tools. It's about understanding the interplay of light and shadow, knowing how to use them to sculpt features, evoke emotions, and tell stories. One of the most fundamental techniques is the use of direction and quality of light. In the studio, we can position our lights to create an endless variety of effects. Short lighting, where the side of the face turned towards the camera is in shadow, is great for slimming the face and adding dimension. Broad lighting, on the other hand, illuminates the side of the face closest to the camera, creating a brighter, more expansive feel. With natural light, we work with what nature provides, like shooting during the golden hours for a warm, flattering light. Remember, lighting is not just about illumination, it's about creating art with every click of the shutter. So when to choose studio lighting and when to embrace the allure of natural light? The answer, as with most things in photography, is, it depends. Studio lighting offers unparalleled control and consistency, making it ideal for commercial shoots and situations where time and weather are constraints. Natural light, with its inherent beauty and organic feel, excels in capturing authentic moments and creating portraits that feel effortless and real. Ultimately, the best light is the one that helps you tell your story in the most compelling way possible. So, go out there, experiment, embrace the challenges, and let your creativity shine through, one beautifully lit portrait at a time.